Mia should have been outside by now. She is almost never late. Most days she is the first one waiting by the gate, backpack ready, eyes searching for her family.
But today, the schoolyard is slowly emptying. Students leave in groups. Teachers close classroom doors. Mia is nowhere to be seen.
I check my phone, then look around again. My heart starts to beat faster. Maybe she went back inside the building.
I stop a student passing by. "Excuse me," I say gently. "Have you seen a girl named Mia Turner? Brown hair, very quiet, usually keeps to herself."
The student nods. Yes, I think I saw her earlier, near the music room maybe.
"Thank you," I reply quickly, and head down the hallway.
The music room is dim and silent. Then I see her, sitting behind the piano, knees pulled close, trying to stay unseen.
"Mia," I say softly. "It's Mom. I've been looking everywhere for you."
She looks up slowly, eyes red. Mom,
"I won't rush you," I tell her. "But why are you hiding here?"
she whispers. I didn't want anyone to see me cry.
I sit beside her. "You can cry with me. You don't have to be alone."
After a long pause, she speaks again. There's a school performance next week.
"I remember," I say. "You were so excited about it."
I was, she admits. Until today.
"What happened today?"
At first, Miss Carter chose me for the main role. She said I was perfect for it.
"That's amazing," I say honestly. "You earned that."
But then she changed her mind, Mia says. She gave the role to Ava instead.
Did she explain why?
She said Ava is louder, more confident on stage.
And how did that make you feel?
Like I disappeared, she answers.
She continues quietly. "Ava said I'm too quiet, that people would get bored watching me."
That wasn't kind, I reply. And it wasn't fair.
"And Sarah," Mia adds, voice shaking, "she didn't sit with me today.
Your best friend?
She laughed with Ava instead. She didn't even look at me."
I pull her into a hug. I'm glad you stayed somewhere safe. Let's go home and talk more.
That evening, Dad notices Mia stacking blocks on the table.
It's taller than yesterday, Mia says.
"That makes it more likely to fall," Dad replies.
Danger makes it cooler, Mia says.
Physics disagrees. Dad laughs. "So, how was school?"
She lost her main role in the show, I explain.
"That's hard," Dad says. "Who got it?"
Ava, Mia replies.
"I already don't like that name," Dad jokes gently.
Later that night, I sit beside Mia's bed.
"What are you most afraid of right now?" I ask.
What if she's right? Mia whispers. What if I'm too quiet for the stage?
"Quiet doesn't mean weak," I say. "And courage doesn't have to be loud."
Really?
Yes, quiet courage is still courage.
The next morning, Mia looks nervous but determined.
"What if I freeze again?" she asks.
Then we breathe, I answer. And we try again.
"What if everyone watches me?"
They will, I smile. And you won't disappear.
At school, Sarah approaches her.
Hi, Mia, Sarah says quietly. I didn't mean to hurt you.
"It still hurt," Mia replies honestly.
Inside the classroom, Miss Carter claps her hands.
"Good morning, everyone. Let's warm up. Everyone will get time to practice."
Mia raises her hand.
"Miss Carter," she says, voice shaking but steady, "may I practice my part again after lunch?"
And that is where today truly begins.
Welcome to Chloe Daily English, where quiet voices still matter, and courage always finds a way.
We'll see, Miss Carter says thoughtfully, folding her arms as she looks at Mia.
"Miss Carter," Mia begins, her voice quiet but steady, "I know Ava is very strong on stage."
Mia takes a small breath. And I know I'm quieter, but I'd really like one chance to show what I can do.
Miss Carter studies her face. "That sounds fair," she replies slowly.
The show needs energy, the teacher continues. What?
"I have energy too," Mia says. "It's just different."
After a moment, Miss Carter nods. All right, Mia, you can practice after school today. Just you and Mr. Reed.
"Really?" Mia asks, surprised.
Yes, One chance.
Thank you, Mia says softly. Thank you so much.
Outside the room, Sarah waits for her.
You were brave in there, Sarah says.
I was terrified, Mia admits.
I know, Sarah replies. Ava scares me sometimes too.
Then why did you choose her? Mia asks quietly.
Sarah looks down. Because I didn't want to lose.
Lose what?
My place. On stage. With friends. She swallows. I didn't want to lose you either.
I'm sorry, Sarah adds. Can I help you practice?
Mia looks surprised. You want to?
Yes, Sarah says firmly. I want to be on their side again.
Okay, Mia replies. That would help.
The music room after school is quiet, warm light spilling across the floor.
Take your time, Mr. Reed says kindly. There's no rush.
I don't know where to begin, Mia admits.
Start with breathing, he says. Then move the way the music feels to you.
Mia moves slowly, unsure.
It's not good, she says, stopping.
It's honest, Mr. Reed replies. That's a strong beginning.
She tries again.
Was it bad? Mia asks.
No, Mr. Reed smiles. You tell a story when you move. That's rare.
I do? She asks.
Yes, you just need confidence.
Peter watches from the side.
That turn was excellent, he says. And that expression, very powerful.
Thank you, Mia, says shyly.
We have a professional here, Peter jokes.
I know talent, he adds. You helped me once. Now it's your turn.
That evening at home, Mia notices her mother holding a wrapped box.
Mom, what's that?
Something special.
Can I open it?
Not yet,
Why?
because tomorrow needs courage first.
Is it magic?
Not exactly, Mum smiles, which usually means yes.
The next day, backstage feels crowded and loud.
There are so many people, Mia whispers.
I know, Mom says. Are you okay?
I'm scared, Mia admits, but I don't want to hide.
That's bravery, Nam replies.
5 minutes. Someone calls.
5 minutes feels very long, Dad mutters.
And very short, Mum adds.
The first performance is Ava's, the announcer says.
Ava steps onto the stage, strong and confident.
She's amazing, someone whispers.
Yes, Mum says to Mia. She is.
But your turn will be different.
Different might not be enough, Mia says.
Mom opens the box.
It's beautiful, Mia breathes. It feels alive.
This dress doesn't shine on its own, Mom says. It shines when you move.
You wore this? Mia asks.
Yes, when I was scared too. Go tell your story.
Next up, the announcer says, Mia Turner.
Her hands shake, but she steps forward.
She breathes. She closes her eyes.
The music begins, not outside her, but inside.
She moves softly, truthfully.
She doesn't shout. She doesn't rush.
She tells a story.
The room is silent.
Then applause rises, slow and strong.
Both performances were beautiful, Miss Carter announces. Ava showed power and confidence.
And Mia, she continues, you showed courage and heart.
The first prize goes to Mia Turner.
You did it, Mum whispers.
Well done, Dad says.
Thank you, Mia tells Ava. You were wonderful.
So, were you? Ava replies.
Mum, Mia asks quietly later, is the dress lucky?
Mom smiles. No, you are. No, Mom says softly, shaking her head.
Then why did it help me so much? Mia asks, still holding the dress carefully in her hands.
Because when you moved, Mom explains, you believed in yourself.
You weren't thinking about fear anymore, she continues. You trusted your body. You trusted your story.
Mia looks down at the fabric. It felt different when I wore it, like I wasn't alone.
That's because belief changes how we move, Mom says, and movement changes how we feel.
Mia smiles slightly. Then, who gave you the dress?
Mom raises an eyebrow. Who do you think?
Mia's eyes widen. No way.
Yes way. Mom laughs quietly.
Mia hugs her tightly. I guess courage runs in our family.
It does, Mom replies. And now it's yours.
Mia looks toward the stage one last time. Calmer now. I didn't disappear.
No, Mom says. You showed up.
And sometimes, that is the bravest thing anyone can do.
If you enjoyed the story, please like, share, and subscribe.
Remember, every small step, every quiet moment, and every honest effort can help you shine.
This is Chloe Daily English, where quiet courage always has a voice.